Don't you hit that table. Don't hit the table.
This poor donkey was self-conscious about how he looked on camera.
What you see in the mirror is just your perception, okay? It doesn't have to be like that. Other people see you differently. Don't take it to heart. And also, the camera adds £10, apparently.
Anyone else ever just take their pet catfish out for a walk when it floods?
Come here, you want a treat? You want a treat? Come here!
This is what a snoring porcupine sounds like.
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh.
You can see the exact moment when these horses realized that it was a little too cold outside.
Слышу, вольер трясется, это Тёма пытается сам залезть на гамак. Смотрите, какая умничка. Ну, умничка, мой молодец.
Gosh, damn.
So, why does he sound like this? He was trying to record himself dancing when this happened. These two horses kissed each other for the very first time. These students visited an elephant sanctuary, and this elephant slapped a phone away.
Oh! Okay. Oh my god. Okay, I guess we don't get too close. Oh my gosh! He wanted the phone! What's it gonna do with the phone? Someone's gonna...
This little guy wasn't too happy with the noise coming from upstairs. This cat must be a paid actor to know how to react to this fake knife.
Hello. She wants to come in, Tessa.
Hi, baby. I'm gonna help you, okay? There you go.
What do you guys think this rat was trying to do? I can't believe his mom did this to her baby.
Oh, what are you doing? Look. Oh!
I have never seen an angry chipmunk before. This monkey was amazed by this magic trick.
Oh, don't bite me.
This guy was trying to hunt deer when he realized that someone was watching him. This news reporter was trying to do a segment on elephants.
Out cases, it is up to us to be guardians of our own natural world, save our wild species, and provide a home.
I have never seen a more evil smile.
Y'all, he closed the cat in the kennel.
What do you think is wrong with this cat?
Stop it. Stop. What are you doing?
Their pet bird loves to hang out in the mask hammock on long car rides. This dog has a perfect smile.
Smiling girl. Are you smiling?
Have you ever seen someone do a drive-by toe lick before?
How's my handsome boy doing today, huh? Huh? How's my handsome boy, huh? Are you doing good today, huh?
I think this is the only cat that hates catnip.
Are you ready to go to school? Let's go.
I ain't never in my life seen a donkey and a dog be best friends.
It's kind of fat. He's fat. He's fed real good.
And then you got donkey over here.
Oh. Hi, you're so cute. Oh my god.
You're like a cat, man.
Scratchy, scratch. Oh my god. Wow.
This pigeon wanted to go on a plane ride.
You're gonna fall off. You're so dumb. No!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Hey, buddy. Idiot. How? What? Oh. You're an ass.
This dog loves to watch horse racing. She was crying, and instead of helping her, her cat decided to judge her.
What are you doing? Stop, Jerry. That is so rude. Look at him. Oh my.
It started to rain, so they all ran inside.
Oh my god, gunk bird, go fly. So close, we're here. There's the gunk. Oh.
Give me the best scream. Whoever got the best scream. You. Alright, I got you right here.
Right here, do right here, right here, right here, right here, right here.
Move her ear,
Right here with my fingers up.
her ear, bro.
This dog was upset because they got rejected.
Dale. Dale.
Have you ever seen a cow that looks like The Rock?
Hello?
What's up, dude? Aww. He's shy.
This chipmunk just found out that he's famous.
I just wanted to tell you that you have over 6,000 followers. What do you think? Squid? You okay?
Hola, con permiso. Ya, me voy, me voy.
This squirrel looks chubby enough to hibernate for 2 winters straight.
Look at this fat, giant, morbidly obese squirrel. What are you doing?
This cat tried out cold water for the very first time.
Do you have something? Do you have something to say?
I think this pigeon is about to explode.
Where are you going? Why are you approaching me? Can you not? Sir, can I? What the f?
I have never seen a goat get so scared of falling off a 2-inch cliff.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh! Oh!
Imagine being this dumb and gullible. These baby birds got scared after seeing a butterfly for the very first time.
Do you know you're a dog? Hey! Hey! Do you know you're a dog?
It looks like someone fell asleep in the rain.
Kissing. Kissing up. Oh my god.
I think this guy might owe this pigeon some money.
It's a pigeon! How does a pigeon go 60? What?
This frog didn't want to eat this bug, so it spit it out and slapped it. This goat really launched her own child. This raccoon family was curious as to what this person was doing.
One,
Okay.
2,
Okay.
3.
It almost looks like this one monkey is apologizing for their friend's bad behavior.
He's grabbing my leg. Hey. No.
She wanted to show off her new pet frog to the camera.
Yeah, look at that little cutie.
So, did I just get threatened by a crab?
What's up, Mr. Cool?
I have never seen a cat run in cursive before.
Look, Cookie, we're here. We're at the vet. You want to go inside?
Scout, you better move.
This cat is actually evil.
Good morning.
No. No, my God!
Her pet duck wasn't scared and loved being in a hailstorm.
This girl, it's hailing. Look at her. Oh my God.
I had no idea that an ostrich could be so violent.
Oh my. Oh, hey, listen, we don't want to fight. Jesus. Holy.
Puppy?
No, he's 17-year-old, bro.
He's 17. Looks like a puppy.
For some reason, this dog faints every time it gets scared. They wanted to introduce their new kitten to their older cat.
Tiny cats are so cute, small cats are the best. No, show me your massive cat.
This is my cat. This is Henry. Say hi.
This fish at a pet store kept trying to hide. This goose came and scared away this gorilla. This poor dog fell for a fake hand prank. This is what a seal sneeze sounds like. Don't worry, the sheep wasn't hurt because they're kinda made to do this.
Uh-oh, he's backing up. Oh, man.
Hey Doug, what if, like, never mind. Hey Doug, nothing. Hey Doug, I'm sorry.
This poor puppy was getting bullied until reinforcements arrived.
Lah engkau denganku hider, dengarkanlah.
These guys were cutting down a dead tree when a surprise popped out.
Ay,